So we went to the store and bought some fidget toys and some store-bought slime. So let's open all the fidget toys! Okay, so now let's close our eyes and choose. Good. So I have the it's called Bubble Burst. I have the Splash Balls. Splash Balls. Let's open this door. And how to open this thing. Ooh, this is so cool. Okay. This is going to be awesome to play with. Okay. Let's see how fast I can pop them. You ready? It's hard to pop all of them like this. There we go. I popped them.
Guys, let's see how squishy these things are. Oh my god, they're so sad. Look how fast it goes back, right?
And you can play with these in water, but well, we're not gonna play with them in water right
Guys,
now.
look. It's so fast to rise back up. See?
Okay, on to the next fidget toy. I have fidget spinner. Now look, you can close your eyes a bit. Pick.
Oh,
We both have a fidget spinner. Guys, these fidget spinners are super small. And the balls even roll inside of that. That's cool.
they're actually really adorable.
That's so cool. The camera doesn't see it super fast. But we see it super fast, but they can see it super slow. Well, not super slow, but
Guys,
cool.
this is so tiny and adorable. And the camera does look slow.
Whoa, the camera, it looks so cool. We can actually see what it's really doing in the camera. That's cool.
Oh, look how slow.
Look at that. Look at that. It's so cool.
Ooh, it's time to go potty. Look how fast it's going.
Whoa. Let's see what the next fidget toy is. Let's choose. I'm going to choose this one.
Ah, don't get it in my mouth.
Okay. I'm going to open. I have the Orb Slime Extreme Glittery.
Guys,
Super
look.
She has her poppet. Okay, let's open it.
Guys, let's see how fast I can do this.
Whoa. I'm going to cut the slime. Ooh. So
Let's see how fast I can do this thing. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop,
Okay, let's get the rest of this slime out. Oh, you can like, ouch. You can feel the glitter. So glittery.
This is so sticky. It's like I can't even get this off my hands.
All I have to do is wash them. All right, play with it, and then it won't be super sticky. Now it's time to open the putty. It is actually not just putty. It is a high bouncing putty. And
It's like bouncing all the
And
way
the colors
up.
that are in here is blue, green, yellow or orange, yellowish orange, and pink. So I love the blue one. So I'm
The blue is first. Great. The blue is first.
Hold on.
I have to go all the way to the bottom and get pink.
Whoa. Okay, whoa. It felt like super, it feels slippery or like oily or something. Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels oily. It smells bad. Super bad. It smells.
This actually smells good.
Whoa.
That's good, Siah. That's good.
A little bit more. Oh, let's see if it's bouncy because Nyla's over there trying to test it out.
That's enough, Siah. That's enough.
Okay, I'm gonna have a big
really
ball.
catchy.
Whoa, it's not that stretchy. Oh wait, it is stretchy. And then, okay, I'm gonna bounce. It's not sticky, so it would stick to the
Ceiling.
ceiling. Whoa!
Guy, I'm
Okay,
gonna
that is bouncy. That is bouncy. It's literally just like a ball.
It's not, Dad, this stuff is not even sticky. It's so hard.
Just like a ball. Just like a ball.
It doesn't break.
Like bounce. Oh, it even bounced like that.
Guys, let's see.
Let's see how high
Whoa!
this can go. Let's see how
I can't catch it.
Okay, guys, so we're going to finish playing with all of our fidget toys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!